Hello and welcome to this step-by-step educational video on how to download Ubuntu LTS, long-term support, and install it on VirtualBox machine. In this video, we'll guide you through each step, from downloading the Ubuntu ISO to installing it on your VirtualBox machine. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Ubuntu website at ubuntu.com. Click on the Download tab in the top menu and then in Ubuntu Desktop section click on Get Ubuntu Desktop. Find the Long-Term Support, LTS, version and click Download button to start download process. The ISO file will begin downloading. Make sure to note the location where the ISO file is being saved on your computer. Now that we have the Ubuntu LTS ISO downloaded, let's proceed with the installation process. Open your VirtualBox. Click on New in the top middle part to create a new virtual machine. In the Name and Operating System window, give your virtual machine a name, such as Ubuntu LTS. Select Linux as the type and choose Ubuntu, 64-bit, as the version. Then, click Next. Allocate memory for the virtual machine by selecting the appropriate amount of RAM. We recommend using at least 2 GB for a smooth experience. Click Next to continue. Choose Create a virtual hard disk now and set the size of the virtual hard disk. We recommend using at least 25 GB of space. Click Next to finish setting up the virtual hard drive. Verify parameters and click on Finish to finish configuration of new virtual machine. Now, with the virtual machine selected, click Settings in the top middle part. Navigate to the Storage tab on the left side. Under the Controller, IDE section, click the empty slot with a CD icon. On the right side, click the CD icon next to Optical Drive, then select Choose a disk file. Browse to the location where you saved the Ubuntu LTS ISO file and select it. Click OK to close the settings window. With the virtual machine selected, click Start to begin the installation process. The Ubuntu installation window will appear. Select your language and click Install Ubuntu. Choose your keyboard layout and click Continue. On the Updates and Other Software screen, you can choose whether to install updates during the installation or after. We recommend selecting Download Updates while installing Ubuntu for the latest security updates. You can also choose to install third-party software for graphics, Wi-Fi, and media formats. Click Continue after making your selections. For the installation type screen, select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu if you want a clean install, or something else if you want to manually configure your partitions. For this tutorial, we'll choose Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. Click Install Now. A warning message will appear, informing you that the selected storage device will be formatted. Double-check your selections and click Continue to proceed. Next, select your time zone on the map or type in your city, then click Continue. Fill in the required information to create a user account, including your name, computer name, username, and password. Optionally, you can choose to encrypt your home folder for additional security. Click Continue to proceed. The installation process will now begin. During the installation, you'll see a slideshow highlighting some features of Ubuntu LTS. This process may take some time, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to restart your virtual machine. Click Restart Now. After the reboot, you might be prompted to remove installation media and press Enter. In this case, click on Button Devices in top menu. In Optical Drives menu item, click on Remove Disk from Virtual Drive and then hit Enter. Virtual machine will reboot. After reboot, you will be presented with the Ubuntu login screen. Enter your username and password to log in. After installing Ubuntu LTS and logging in for the first time, you'll be greeted by the Welcome screen. This screen will guide you through the initial setup of your new Ubuntu system. Now, you have the option to connect your online accounts, such as Google, Microsoft, or Nextcloud, to Ubuntu. This allows for seamless integration with your email, calendar, and contacts. As we will use this installation only for testing purposes, we do not need to connect any account. Simply click Skip. On next screen, you will be presented with the option to enable Ubuntu Pro. Ubuntu Pro is a subscription service that offers extended security updates, patching, and technical support. We do not need that option for testing purposes, so we will select Skip for now. And click Next. In this step, choose whether to send system information and crash reports to Canonical, the company behind Ubuntu. Make your selections and click Next. We are already close to end of this configuration in this step. Choose whether to enable location services and continue by clicking button Next. In last screen you have displayed examples of application which you can install and you but you are not limited to those displayed. Finish configuration by clicking on Done. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Ubuntu LTS on your VirtualBox machine. You can now explore and use the operating system for development purposes or general use. Ubuntu LTS offers a stable, secure, and user-friendly experience, making it an excellent choice for both new and experienced users. Don't forget to check out the Ubuntu community resources, such as the Ubuntu forums, Ask Ubuntu, and the official Ubuntu documentation, to learn more about the features and functionalities of your new operating system. Ubuntu has a strong and welcoming community that's always ready to help and share knowledge. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on how to download Ubuntu LTS and install it on a VirtualBox machine. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy exploring!